The Yawning Void, Ginnungagap, was the chaos and the nothingness at the beginning for Norse mythology and the Norse universe. It was before all things, and was nothing. At one edge was Niflheim, cold and darkness. On another edge was Muspelheim, heat and light. When the two met in Ginnungagap, life was created, and it took humanoid form. Ymir, the first being the frost giant. From Ymir was all other things created. His blood brought forth other life. Earth, or Midgard, was fashioned from his flesh, the mountains were crafted from his bones, and the sky formed as a dome from his skull surrounding all above, thus shaping the world from the chaos, the gaping abyss before creation.